What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Low Budget Spyder Writer bringing you another video. I hope you enjoyed the recent video that I uploaded where I asked the question, as spider writers, do we mod our spiders for safety or for looks? I know I said in that video that I had planned on posting a follow-up video where I talk a little bit more about how we wire these mods in, what to look for if you buy a bike that already has mods attached, whether it be lighting, audio, performance mods. I'll talk a little bit more about that in the follow-up video. But in this one, I'm going to talk about modding, but I'm also going to take a little detour to talk about something that kind of happened while I was in the process of posting the video. So as I told you, I read all the comments. I welcome all comments. My channel is not a channel where I censor people, where I block out your ability to give constructive criticism, where I take away your ability to give a thumbs up or thumbs down. I welcome it all. Because for me, as a content poster, if I'm going to open myself up to share this part of my life with you, then I should be, I guess, adult enough to listen to the feedback. Because feedback gives us direction. And direction is always good as long as it's given criticism, direction, whatever you want to call it, is always good as long as it's done in a constructive way, and constructive being the word. And that's what we're going to talk about. So give me a quick second to get the camera set up and we'll jump right into All right, so let's get back into it. So what brought me to today's video is I was scrolling through the comments earlier today. I came across a comment from a particular viewer. I'm not going to say their name. I'm not going to say their channel. It's not necessary, but they proceeded to tell me how they loved their 2020 Spyder, that they felt the Spyder was a beautiful bike, but they hate, and I'm going to emphasize the word hate because it's a very strong word in my opinion, they hate any Christmas tree lights on a Spyder. That they felt that the Spyder was beautiful the way it was, and it did not need any Christmas tree lights on it. That it was meant to be ridden from point A to point B. Now, when I first read that comment, I had to sit back and kind of think how I wanted to respond to this particular comment, because this was the comment they posted was an edited comment. So I'm sure they posted something before that that was probably a little bit more derogatory and maybe meant to be a little bit more hurtful. So I decided not to respond to them the same way they responded to me. And again, I welcome any criticism that you may have towards my Spyder and the things that I've done to this bike, because I think that I've articulated to the best of my ability why I have the type of lighting that I do on my bike, be it LED lights, Christmas tree lights, which I'm guessing they're referring to the acrylic RGB LED lights that are accenting the trim panels that I now have in a solid amber color. Or maybe they're referring to the ARM integrated LED and turn signal lights that I have on the front, on the side, and the brake LED lights in the back. Or maybe they're referring to the mirror LED lights. I am not sure, and at the end of the day, really don't care. But what I had to think about was when I responded to this person who clearly spoke from a place of ignorance, and as they said, hatred, I decided to basically tell them I respect all comments and all decisions. But the key word in their statement, they bought their 2020 Spyder. They like their Spyder plane. They believe their Spyder should be ridden from point A to point B, and they are right. You can do whatever you want to with your Spyder, whatever you ride. It doesn't even have to be a Spyder. But if you're going to comment on a video, give me the same respect that you want. Because just like you have your bike, I have mine, and I can do whatever I want to this bike. But I would tell anybody that if you question why so many lights, I'll tell you it's for safety. We all ride in different locations under different conditions. If you live in a country, I'm not going to tell you what country this person lives in. If you live in a country where you don't have to ride in the conditions of riding in an urban city or inner city, good for you. I ride in a city where most of the drivers are distracted. They're not paying attention, especially to anybody on a motorcycle. So if I can do things that's going to increase my appearance or increase the sound profile of what I'm riding to keep me alive so I can come home safely to my family, that's what I'm going to do. And if you don't like it, just like the title of this video says, if you don't like what's cooking in this Spyder oven, then stay out of this Spyder kitchen. You don't have to come to this channel because I make it clear what this channel is going to have. I tell you, it's going to be about modding a Spyder. It's going to be about lighting mods, performance mods, audio mods, various type of mods that you can put on any riding platform, not just a Spyder. I mean, I think that the title, or I should say, my logo says, if it moves, I can mod it. And it's that simple. And I'm going to mod it, first of all, the way that I want. And second of all, I'm going to mod it the way that I like. That's the preference that I have when I purchase this bike. Now, if you want to buy something for me so it can stay plain, go right ahead. I welcome this person to send me the money. I will go buy a Spyder and I will keep it plain if that's what you want to see. When you pay for it, you can dictate how it gets to be. And I can tell you for this Spyder right here, this Spyder isn't donated. I paid for this bike. The miles on this bike I paid for, I installed. The content that I present is content that I feel that those who choose to come to this channel in a positive way, that I have something to offer them. Whether you have a question about lighting, audio, performance, comfort, I feel I have something to offer to this Spyder community. There are plenty of channels that give us all different type of content for these bikes. If you're into group riding, this may not be the channel for you. Do I do group ridings on my Spyder? I do. Twice a year during the season. Will there be content showing some of those rides? There will be when the time comes. Right now where I'm at, it's winter. It's 26 degrees today. I'm not riding in 26-degree weather. It's not that serious for me. I have heated riding gear. I have everything I needed. If I want to take this bike off of these jack stands and take it out for a ride right now, I can ride it. But it's not that serious. I choose not to ride right now. When it gets warm, I have some content coming. Mitch on Wheels and I have had a conversation. We live close to each other. We've talked about doing maybe a group ride video to kind of bring to both of our channels. But those are things to come in the future. Right now, this is the content that I'm going to bring. You know, as the weather gets better, I plan to film in different locations to expand on some of the topics that I have. I open the comments up to you as the viewers to give me ideas of things to talk about. Because if you don't give me ideas, then I'm going to present what I want to talk about. Because at the end of the day, it's my channel. If you don't like what's being presented on this channel, take your hate somewhere else, not here. Because I'm going to give you one time and then I'm going to address you down in the comments. I'm not going to tell you what video this person is in because you can find it. I didn't delete it. It's right there in all its glory. It's right there. And I responded to him the best way that I could. But moving forward, If you are confused as to what this channel is about, the videos are very clear. It's no clickbait, it's no bait and switch, it's none of that. I'm very upfront about the content that's here. You either like it or you don't. And if you don't, swipe away. I look at the analytics. I look at how many people stay and watch, and I look at how many people swipe away. And if this isn't for you, I get it. I watch a lot of channels where some of the content that I see, some of it's for me, some of it's not. But what I don't do is I don't engage in disrespectful activity on somebody else's channel. That's like walking into my house as a guest and being disrespectful. You might be lucky if the only thing I ask you to do is just leave. That's all I'm asking this person to do. Don't come to this channel. You come to a channel that clearly has nothing but modded videos, and then you want to tell me what you hate. How about you look in the mirror and figure out what you hate about yourself? How about that? But on this channel, we don't do that here. That's not what this channel is about. If you got positivity and you want to say something positive or bring something to the conversation, bring it. We can talk about it. If you don't, keep it moving. It's that simple. Again, if you don't like what's cooking in this Spyder oven, stay out of this Spyder kitchen. I hate that I have to make a video to even address this, but I think it's important to kind of deal with things when they happen versus letting it go so people think it's okay. But I will say this, I am very humbled. I'm very grateful by all of the views that my videos have gotten. I am grateful to all of the positive subscribers that have chosen to not just view this channel, but to subscribe. I'm grateful for all of the likes. I'm grateful for all of the shares. I hope we can continue to grow this channel as a family, but it's got to be productive and it's got to be constructive. If all you have is hate, keep it moving. Because at the end of the day, everything that I say, I mean, I am about the experience, living for the experience. I live to enjoy this platform. I live to enjoy the content that I'm able to bring to all of you that want this content. If this is not what you want and you don't want to share in this experience or enjoy this ride, find another channel. Again, I thank all of you that have chosen to be a positive part of this channel's growth. I look forward to bringing you the next video where we'll continue to talk about modding your Spyder. Again, live for the experience and definitely enjoy the ride along the way. Peace.